In today's video, I'm going to teach you, can I add credit or debit card to PayPal without security code? Let's walk through this together in a simple and clear way. So by the end, you'll know exactly what's possible and what your options are if you don't have your card's security code. First, open your web browser and go to google.com. In the search bar at the top, type the question, can I add credit or debit card to PayPal without security code, and hit enter. This is the exact question many people have, and using a search engine is a quick way to see the most up-to-date guidance from trusted sources. On the results page, you'll see an AI-powered overview or summary at the top, followed by links, often including official PayPal pages. In that overview, you'll notice a very important point. You generally cannot add a credit or debit card to PayPal without the security code, also known as the CVV or CVC. This code is that 3-digit number on the back of most Visa and MasterCard cards, or the 4-digit number on the front of some cards. PayPal uses this security code as a mandatory part of the card linking process. Along with your card number and expiration date, the CVV helps verify that you actually have the physical card in your possession and that you're the legitimate owner. So if you're trying to link a card, you'll be required to enter the card number, the expiry date, and that security code. Without it, the system will not complete the process. You'll also need to make sure that the billing address you enter in PayPal matches the address on your bank or card statement exactly. Even a small difference, like a missing apartment number or a typo in the postal code, can cause errors or lead to the card being declined. After you add the card, PayPal may ask you to confirm it. In many cases, they do this by placing a small temporary charge on your card. Next to that charge, on your card statement, you'll see a short description that includes a 4-digit code. You then go back into PayPal, enter that code, and your card is fully confirmed. This step helps protect your account and reduces the chance of unauthorized use. If you do not have access to your CVV code or your card doesn't support online transactions, there is an alternative. Instead of linking a card, you can link a bank account directly to PayPal. This usually does not require a CVV, and PayPal will guide you through the process in your wallet section with simple, prompt-based instructions. This option can still allow you to send and receive money, even if you can't use a card. If you run into problems, double-check your billing details, and if everything looks correct, contact your card issuer to make sure your card is allowed to be used